Dirt, that's what gets on your fingernails. Soil is what we plant in. Building healthy soil makes for better gardening and wiser watering. Hi Aurora, I'm Diana Denwood, Senior Water Conservation Specialist at Aurora Water. Let's talk about soil. Soil is made up of minerals and organics that have decomposed into small particles over time. The particles are commonly grouped from largest to smallest: sand, silt, and clay. Different types of soil contain different amounts of these particles. When gardeners talk about soils, we're mostly concerned with the extremes, clayey versus sandy, due to the way that they interact with water. Determine what kind of soil you have using one of the methods outlined in Zach vs. Lewis's video on soil types. Soils along the Front Range are generally low in organic matter, making them great for our native plants, but not as good for many other types of plants. Vegetables especially need TLC in the form of healthy, well-aerated, rich soil. We can achieve that by adding compost. Compost is decomposed organic material that is added to soil as an amendment. It has a ton of benefits. Compost provides the macro and micronutrients that plants need to thrive. It improves soil's water retention capacity. It increases a sandy soil's ability to hold on to moisture, and it creates pore space in clayey soils to allow for better water infiltration. It improves biotic activity in the soil, and it aerates soil, creating good soil structure and making it easy for our roots to grow deep. Make your own compost at home or buy a type 1 or 2 compost from a garden center. Type 1 or 2 means it's fully decomposed and stabilized. When planting water-wise and other plants, mix compost into your native soil. Do this only once. With vegetable gardens, you want to mix in compost every single year. I recommend the ratio of 1 part compost to 3 parts native soil. Now go play in the soil and get your hands dirty. It'll help you use your water wisely. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.